In this video, you'll learn how to log in to your Binance crypto account. This guide will take you through the steps needed to successfully access your account, whether using the website or the mobile app. Start by launching the Binance website or opening the mobile app on your device. Once the homepage appears, look for the login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Ensure that you are on the official Binance platform to protect your account. After tapping the login button, you will be directed to the login page, where you can prepare to enter your credentials. Next, you will need to input your registered email address or phone number associated with your Binance account. Make sure to enter this information accurately to prevent any login issues. After providing your email or phone number, carefully input your password. It's important to double check for any typing errors to ensure your credentials are correct. Once you have entered both your email or phone number and password, tap the login button to proceed. At this point, you may need to wait for a verification prompt to appear on the screen. After tapping login, you will be prompted to complete a verification step. This may involve entering an authenticator code or an SMS code sent to your registered device. Make sure to submit the code within the time limit provided to avoid any delays. Once you enter the code correctly, you should wait for a brief moment as the system processes your information. Following successful verification, the Binance dashboard will load automatically. This indicates that you have gained access to your account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard, as it contains various features and options related to your cryptocurrency trading and management. That wraps up today's guide. Watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.